Okay, everybody, this is the follow-up or an addendum video of stuff that I forgot, clearly, from the first one, and meant to show you guys. And if you see anything else in the video where I said, hey, I'll show you this later, and I never get back to it, let me know, and I'll tack it on at the end. But the first thing I wanted to show you is adding the helmets to the box score. So I've opened up the box score, and let's see, that will go above, right underneath body, above the start of all the text. And the two images are Bulls L PNG and Spots Right PNG. Okay. So let me copy an image, the image text. This is just how you add an image. And then copy them right next to each other. And that's going to be a PNG. What did I say it was called? Bulls L PNG. The other one was Spots R PNG. Okay. And these are just made up stuff that I included in the default files, the tutorial files. Alright, let's see how it looks. There we go. Of course they're huge, so we'll need to change the size. So add width equals, two quotation marks, go back in and put 100. Go over to the end of the second one, width equals, quotation marks, put 100. Let's see how that works. There you go. So, and you can make them 150, 200 if you want them a little bit bigger. So there are the helmets. Let's see, what was the other one? It's sad when you got to make a list of things you forgot. YouTube code, comment out the parts you don't want, and I didn't put the home link. All right. So at this part down here where we added the video last time, I think we added it right here. If you want to add a YouTube video as opposed to a local video, then let's see, where is that? That's underneath the, all right, right down here. Say you go to YouTube. There we go. All right, so there's a video you like, or say it's your game video or whatever. Go find the video and go to share, and you'll see this right here where it says embed. Click that and then highlight all of this here that's within that iframe, just like we added the other one. Copy that. There we go. So all that stuff that you copied is now pasted right here, and honestly you don't really have to change anything. Just save it, and there it is. And then now you have a YouTube video embedded in the page. So it's pretty much the same thing as before, with just a local video, but instead it's YouTube. Now also, let's say you don't want that YouTube video. the way to get rid of it but not delete it. Let's say you want to leave it there, don't really want to delete it, or maybe you have a local video but you also want to put in a YouTube video, whichever. You're decided I don't really want that on the page. Just comment it out, just like I showed you before about comments. Do the open bracket, exclamation point, dash dash, and then a space, and then go to the end, space, dash dash, close bracket, and then save. And if I did that right, it should get rid of the video. There you go. Now the video's gone. So if you changed your mind, and you could do that with images, videos, if something you've added to the page and then you decide, I don't really want that, then you can just comment it out, but you haven't lost it. So if you change your mind, you just go back and remove the comments. Save it, and then refresh, and the video's back. Let's see. So comment out. So we did that, and you could do that to the blog if you decided you wanted to do the blog to put it in there, but you really don't want to use it. You could comment it out also. Just make sure it's in between the comment tags that I showed you. Add the helmets, YouTube code, home link. This is basically just a link that you could put up here if you didn't want people to have to hit the back arrow every time. Or maybe you've clicked on a link, then on the next page clicked on another link, then on the next page clicked on another link, and you're like, I don't want to have to hit the backspace 3 times. You could just click on a link up there that takes you back to home. So that is as simple as adding, as I stumble and bumble here, a link. And the important thing about it is you're going to be going up a folder level. So there it is. So up here, find body, and above the helmet logos, paste in the link text, and this is going to be called home, and then the URL is going to be the home page, which was the index. And remember, and that's now the box score web page. The HTML is in the season 1 folder, and you're going to be linking back or up one structure to this index. So the way to do that is under URL, instead of just putting index.html, you're going to have to tell the browser to go back up a folder or directory. So you would put ... then the slash, then index.html. And let's see if that works. There it is. And now this is the tutorial home page, so that's why it's back to square one again. But if this was the let's see, I think if this was the regular one, the completed one, which I just zipped up and put in a folder, so you'll be able to get this one, the completed one, and all you have to do is go in and edit what you want. But here, season 1, click on championship, and here's the home. You click it and it takes you back to the home page. So that's what the other one will do. But then, like I said, this was just the tutorial home page, so nothing's been done to it yet. But that's how you add home to the top of a page. You can click that and go back, and you could put it on the top of every page. Just go to each page that you're editing and drop find the first body, which is this one right here, and then drop down below it and insert this code for a link. And it's just a simple link, to a web page, and there you go. And that's how the dot dot with a slash is how you tell it to go back up a level. So if you're in a subfolder and you want to go back to the main folder, that's how you do it. And it's pretty simple. And I think that is it. I'm going to put all these links in the descriptions of each of the videos. And again, if you hear me say something to the effect of "I'll show you this later," and I didn't, let me know, and I'll tack on however many videos I have to follow up, so I didn't leave anything out. But by and large, I think that's pretty much it. But I hope this has been a helpful couple of videos, and look forward to seeing what you guys throw together if you use it. Thanks.